Nagbalin ang naragsak Naangay at 2025 PPHA Northwest Luzon Regional Conference at the 4th Ilocandia Resort and Hotel at the Barangay Calayab at the Ciudad Dilawag. Inatendaran dito Dagiti Pharmacists manipod iti Northwest Luzon chapters kuna ni Mr. Dennis Casares, Vice President for North Luzon Pharmacists, ket maragsak ang launa isuna amang ibaga ang napintas tinaaramid a conference gapot makita na ti panagkikinambayet dagiti opisyales ti Ilocos chapter anang isagana iti daytoy nga aktibidad.
So we are now offering the continuing professional development seminar for pharmacists here at Ilocos Norte. So this CPD program is offering for free to active members, and this regional conference is hosted by the PPHA Ilocos Norte chapter.
So what is the goal of this program po?
So the goal of this program is for the continuing professional development of pharmacists. Okay, as for example, our theme for today's regional conference is about diabetes management.
Mainaig iti daytoy ket nagyaman ni mismo na Lisa Kabagungan, Presidente ti Ilocos Norte Chapter, kadagiti timulong kinakipartisipar iti daytoy nga aktibidad.
So the PPHA Regional Conference held today at 4th Ilocandia Resort Hotel is sponsored by the Philippine Pharmacists Association Incorporated, and we are proud and humbled to be the co-host for this event. So we started preparing first week of October, and we started by requesting a letter to the Office of the Governor and our respective LGU in Lawag City and the help of other LGUs in Ilocos Norte. And we are so grateful that they have favored our request, and also we invited other company distributors to be sponsors and exhibitors on this event.
Maipanamnama kadagiti pharmacists nga adu dagiti nasursurod ken masursurod ang tupay iti masangwanan. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, tatak, aremen.